0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Back on, welcome back to the channel. Here we go guys, look at this beast. Alright, here we are guys, so we're about to start this beautiful X6 BMW. Let's go. Just try to set this up for you guys so I can show you.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Dash camera of choice is pink there. Let's sell link Neo. Let's begin.
Oh, that's real good.
So I'm just bringing it up with the anti-vibration tape, and then these two we gotta go all the way to the back. Once you get good at this, what I do, I pull the cable, thumb,
That's real good.
round, stop, pull the cable, grab the thumb again, and then you can get really good at that, and you can go really quick. I'm just going to lean over the camera so you won't see what I'm doing, but I'm just removing.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
So we can mount the camera right here, runs in through the housing here. From the driver's perspective, you should be able to see the camera. Alright, I actually need two hands to do this, so I'll see if I can prop the camera somewhere and we'll get going. It's a 4th floor. That lifts up. We remove this back panel. Factory batteries located here. Bring out the Selling Neo for customers' convenience on this little plate that you're looking at now. Fuse box is located here in the rear quarter of this X6. And the factory box. If you can just see if I get my focus working here. See this little bolt here?
Oh, that's
Right
real
there.
good.
Undo it, bang, goes straight there. Power cable goes to the fuse hub. Let's get back to work. Double baby, number 1.
Ain't nobody stopping
What
me.
colorway?
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
I have to jet my wife. Our next car, babe.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Look at that. All right, brother. Thank you. Drive safe up. Top day. Back at it, guys. The customer had to go, so I couldn't show you the rest of the job. But here we go. We got a Audi Q3 supply. New power cable. Comes to.
Oh, that's real good.
The back, show you that. Hardwired to the fuse box.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
Only the best.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Damn, son.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Stopping me.
Oh, that's real good.
Surprisingly, first one to never. Both sides was right angle. Strange.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody
Stay tuned, guys. Got a lot of exciting content coming your way.
stopping me.
Hopefully, we'll be doing my BMW
Stopping me.
detail, ceramic coat, all the goodies. And don't forget, I've got to upload all my new range of t-shirts. The vendors range, hoodies, jumpers are coming. Slow process, but stay tuned. Let's get it. We just turn it down so I don't get any copyright strikes. So from the driver's perspective, you see the rear camera and the reflection of the rear camera in the rear view mirror. Down the A-pillar, in my previous videos, we'll show you how I remove those step by step. Fuse boxes on the glove box. E-scraper right here. That's the front camera.